Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily download Gamma AI presentation in PDF or PPT format. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, look up for the Gamma app or Gamma AI, and then click over here, create new. So we're going to generate a presentation. Here, I'm just going to generate this right now. This might take a less than a minute or two. Once done, just double check everything. I would like to choose this color for the theme. So click on generate. As you can see, Gamma is working on everything. And pretty much this is how you can easily get things done. And once this is over, you can choose to download this in PDF and other formats. Click over here, share, export. PDF, PowerPoint, slides, PNGs, etc. We're just going to choose PDF. Here is my file. I'm going to open this. We are done. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.